Welcome to JH. You might have stumbled across Zenana.com, an online store that claims to hit the holy trinity of fashion: sustainable, ethical, and actually affordable. They promise quality fabrics that last longer than a typical Hollywood marriage and call themselves the ultimate destination for trendy basics at wholesale prices. But the big question remains, is Zenana actually legit, or is it just another well-dressed scam? Let's find out together. First, the good news. Their domain was registered way back in 2015, which in internet years makes them practically ancient. Most scam sites vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning, so a decade-long presence is a massive green flag. Then there's the social media. With 18,000 followers on Instagram and a busy Facebook page, they're clearly putting in more effort than someone just trying to disappear with your credit card details. They're active, they're engaging, and they actually seem to exist in the real world. Another point for transparency: they actually list an email, a phone number, and a physical address. It's a refreshing change from those mystery sites where the Contact Us page leads to a dead link and a sense of regret. They even provide a step-by-step guide on how to order wholesale, because apparently, they assume we need a map to find the checkout button. It's all very organized and builds a surprising amount of trust. However, there is a bit of a plot hole. When you go hunting for independent reviews on Trustpilot or Reddit, it's quieter than a library during a nap break. It's not a deal breaker, but the lack of customer chatter makes it hard to know if the clothes feel like silk or sandpaper. So, is Zenana.com legit? Based on the facts, it certainly looks like a genuine business. They've got the history and the transparency to prove they aren't just a digital ghost. My advice is to start with a small order first to test the waters before you go all in on a new wardrobe. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more updates that save your wallet from the abyss.